Today is day 6 since we purchased the house and day 4 after demolition began. So demolition began on Monday, today is Thursday. And I just wanted to show you the progress so far. So I'm standing in the garage and behind me you can see our 2 bays. And if I turn around, that is actually the door to the pool deck and to the screen and patio. And this is where the walls were for the house. So I'll step over here. This is where the washer and dryer used to be. There used to be a wall between the two, and then back here, right here, was a bathroom, if you remember from the original video. And then back in the back was a bedroom. And I'll walk you through to the inside here. So it's a construction site. I'm gonna be a little careful. And then here's the stair. Well, that was a little closet before. And the little tiny living room. And unfortunately, I had to lose my fireplace because down here at least, because when they removed the paneling, they could see where water had come down from when the roof was replaced in 2017, but they forgot to put flashing in between the roof and the chimney, and that let water pour in. And so there was a lot of water damage, a lot of wetness back there, and mold. So unfortunately, the drywall was behind the mantle, and the mantle had to come off the surround to get to the moldy drywall. So I'm probably just gonna wall this in. Considering this is a small room anyway, it will help us maximize the usage of the space if we don't have to contend with the fireplace, even though I really liked it. I thought it was really charming to have 2 fireplaces, but whatever, at least we still have one, and that's really all we need. So if I go upstairs, I'll show you the upstairs. It's pretty crazy. So not every single wall in the house is getting gutted, but many of the walls in the house are getting gutted. So here is the 2nd floor, and we are going to add a cable railing here, and then also one here at some point, but add it to the list, there's like a million things. And then if you can see behind me, there used to be a wall here and then a wall over there. And this was kind of those 2 walls were in an L shape, and now they're gone. So I really love the way it makes the house look. It really opens everything up, and you can I had them turn the bank of cabinets that were left over here that used to be on the side. The bank of cabinets used to be right here. Running the other direction like this. And so I had them move them so that we could get a feeling for the way the kitchen is going to feel when it's done. Because there is going to be a very long 11-foot island from approximately where it's sitting now all the way over to where the X's are here on the floor. And then right here is actually going to be a new slider. So we're going to move the slider from here to here to extend the kitchen cabinets as well. So I have a way longer kitchen, and it's the heart of the house. I know that it's going to be kind of disproportionate to the rest of the house, but I'm designing this house for me. I'm not designing it for resale, and what I want is a big kitchen because I love to cook and I love to entertain, and it's really important to me to have it. So that is what that is gonna look like. And then moving down the hallway. All right, so there was a lot of things that didn't make sense in the house because it's a 1960s. Some of the things that they did were standard, isn't good for today. So I'll show you what we're dealing with. So here is the bathroom, and it's just one bathroom upstairs. And it is shared with the master bedroom there. And I considered closing it off to make a walk-in closet along that wall, but I decided to leave it and move the doorways. So I'll show you that in a second. So here was the closet. I know I showed you this. It had this wonky bump out into the closet. And the homeowner used this to store towels, but as you can see, it ended here. So it really it didn't even have enough room to store a towel folded in a normal way. And I'm really glad I took it out, because when I did, it was full of black mold. And you can kind of see a little bit left over on this piece of drywall. It's here. Because when they replaced the roof, again, they forgot to put a pipe that they were supposed to, and so it just let water drip into the brand new roof, and it created all this damage and moisture, and then led to mold because she didn't know it was there. So it sucks to keep finding mold, but I'm so happy to, because then I can eradicate it and I don't have to worry about it anymore. This house will be like a brand new house when we're done. So as you can see behind me here, this room is tiny. It's for my littlest son. It's 9 by 9, which is a really, really small bedroom. And it didn't have a door. The homeowner had taken the door off. She was using it as an office, and she could walk across the hall, so she took the door off. And because it's such a small room, I decided to remove the door frame altogether and then create a pocket door here. So pocket doors take up a lot less space, and it just goes into the wall so that my son won't have a 30-inch door swing. 30 inches is very valuable when you're talking about a 9-foot by 9-foot room. Okay, so this was the master bedroom door right here where I'm standing. And it opened like this. Then if you walked in, right here was a little entryway to the bathroom. It was kind of wonky because it had these like 3 walls, and it was just so crazy and not good. And then the original closet is right here. You can see the footprint right here, the original closet. So what I had them do is they gutted this wall to add a pocket door. So I am going to keep the door to this bathroom, even though the closet is more valuable, but just because I just didn't want to get rid of the door too. And then the rest of this area, if you can see the lines on the floor over there, it's going to become a closet behind me. It's going to make a huge impact and a much bigger closet, and all I had to do was move the door over a few inches. The old entrance was here. The new entrance is here. And then it's just gonna be open right here where you can walk into the closet and around like this into the whole walk-in closet, which will end here, just like that. That is the new closet. And then here's where the pocket door is going to be for my son's room. The door swing used to be like this, used to open like this. Now it's gonna be a pocket door that's gonna be hidden and not take up the floor space. The old doorway to this room was right here, and this was a wall. And the door swing was like this into the room. And now the new door for this bedroom is going to be right here, and it's going to swing in like this. And the new door for this bedroom is going to be right here, and it's going to swing in like this. And this will be a wall. And this bathroom is going to remain largely the same. We may have to do a little bit of tile work because we had to lose some for where the pocket door is going to be here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new content. As you can see behind me, there's a lot coming, the full renovation of this house, so make sure you follow along with that one for sure. I can't wait to hear what you think about the whole reno project and everything I'm doing, so make sure that you leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and have a happy DIY.